Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English classes. I am Wajid sir. Today we are going to learn voice, active and passive voice. First we will see what is voice. The definition of voice is the form of the verb that shows whether the subject of the sentence does something or something is done to the subject. What is voice? Voice is the form of the verb that shows if the subject of the sentence does something or something is done to the subject of the sentence. We will see it if subject of the subject of the sentence is doing something, the sentence is said to be in active voice. Active voice. When we will, if how we will determine, how we will recognize, how we will say that a sentence is in active voice or passive voice. If subject is doing something in the sentence, then the sentence is said to be in active voice. For example, I write a letter. Here I is subject and subject I is doing the action. It means I write a letter and letter is here object. I is subject and write is verb. In the previous classes, the first day class of tense, I had taught you in detail what is subject, what is verb and what is object. Again I will tell you, if something or somebody is doing action, is called subject. Doer of action. For example, I am teaching, I is subject. He is playing, he is subject. She is cooking, she is subject. Here I is subject because the action of writing is done by I. I write a letter. Here subject is doing. That's why this sentence is said to be in active voice. If subject does something, if subject performs the action, the sentence is said to be in active voice. If something is done to the subject, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. If something is done to the subject, for example, a letter is written by me. Here subject is letter. A letter is subject. A letter is not doing something. It means a letter is not doing something. A letter is being done. Here a letter subject is affected by the action. Letter subject receives action, is affected by the action. That's why this sentence is said to be in passive voice. A letter is written by me. A letter is written by me. Another example, she is cooking food. The subject she is doing the action. This is active voice. If food is being cooked by her, here the subject food is receiving the action, is affected by the action. Food is not doing something. Action is done to the subject. This sentence is said to be in passive voice. Then it is very clear to us what is active voice and what is passive voice. If subject is doing the action, it is active voice. If subject receives, action is done to the subject, it is in passive voice. Now we will see how we will change from active to passive. Let's see. Before changing it from active to passive, we will see some rules. If subject is I, while changing from active to passive, it changes in the object like me. I is changing to me, and if me is object, it is changing to I. Vice versa. We into us we. You is not changed, it you. They, them, they. He, him, he. She, her, she. It remains same. It is not changed. After it, we will see first how sentences of tense, how we will change it, how simple present tense is changed, how simple past tense, simple future tense. We will see step by step. Now we will see how simple present tense active is changed into passive voice. The structure of simple present tense is subject plus first form of the verb or SES form plus subject. If any sentence is based on this structure, suppose I teach English, they play cricket, you write a letter, she cooks food, all these sentences are on this pattern. That's why these sentences are said to be in simple present or active voice. How we will change it in passive, we will see. Its rule is, if while changing from active to passive, first we will see the object of the sentence is changed into subject. The object of the sentence changed into subject. This object will change into subject. Plus helping verb. Plus helping verb. In simple present tense, which helping verb we will use, we will see. By changing active to passive, the helping verb we use is are or am. Plus third form of the in all the tenses we will use third form of the verb, past participle. Third form of the verb. Plus V3. Then by is used to correct the sentence. Plus by. Plus this subject. First object is changed into subject. This subject is changed to object. First object is changed into subject and subject is changed into object. This subject is changed into object. Now we have seen how we will change a sentence from active to passive. First, object is changed to subject, then helping verb, third form the verb, plus by, then subject is changed to object. We will see some example. It will be more clear when we will discuss on the pattern of this example. First, I write a letter. I write a letter. This is active. I write a letter. First we will see the object. Letter is object because letter is being written. Letter received action. Letter is object. We will just change letter into subject. It comes here. A letter. Subject. I have taken subject. After that is R or am. A letter. Letter is single. It is singular noun. That's how we see. Here we will take is. A letter is. Then third form the verb. That form, third form past participle form write is written. Write, wrote, written. Third form is written. A letter is written, then by. After the subject will be changed into object. The subject will be changed into object. Here subject is I and I is changed into me. I is changed into me. A letter is written by me. This is passive. We will see one more example. She sends messages. She sends messages. Here messages object. Object will be changed into subject. While changing active to passive, we will see first. We will write messages. Messages. Then helping is our messages. The word messages is plural. Then we will take are. Messages are. Third from the verb. Here send. Sent. Past participle form of send is sent. Messages are sent. Then by. Subject is here. Subject is she, and she is changed to her. Messages are sent by her. This is passive form, and first one is active. I think now it is more clear to you. Now we will see how we will change simple past into active voice of simple past into passive voice. Now we will see simple past passive of simple past tense. A structure of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus subject. This is active. We will just change object into subject, then helping the was or were, then third from the verb by. This subject is changed into object. We will take some example. First sentence: He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Here, letter is object. We will change it into subject. A letter. Letter is singular now. That's we will take was. A letter was. Then third from the verb, write, wrote, written. A letter was written. Then by. He. Subject he is changed into object. How he is changed to him. A letter was written by. Letter was written by him. This one is active and this one is passive. One more example. She bought a dictionary. She bought a dictionary. Here dictionary is object. We will change the subject. A dictionary. A dictionary. Then singular we will take was. A dictionary was. Third from the verb. Bought. A dictionary was bought by she. Here she is changed to her. A dictionary was bought by her. Notice one more thing. Bought. Second past tense or past participle tense. By, bought. A sale. Present form by, past form bought, and past participle is also bought. That's why we have not changed here. A dictionary was bought by her. Today we have read how we will change from active to passive, simple present tense, then simple past tense. In the next class, we will discuss the other part of tenses. One more thing I would like to request you, just if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel, and please forward to your friends, share it as much as you can, and if you want to give any suggestion, your suggestions are welcome. Please drop it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.